Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I just want to drop a quick video of a product that sent to me a couple weeks ago. I just haven't got around to reviewing it. And I've used this product, and sometimes with certain products I need to kind of use them a little bit to see if I like them, see if it's something I use often. And these are actually pretty cool. And this is a company by the name of Dodocool. We're not going to get involved in reviewing the box. Nothing to it. So let's talk about it. These are over-the-ear Bluetooth wireless headphones. I've been sent several Bluetooth headphones over the years, and I have to tell you, I like these a lot. Nowadays they all sound pretty good. This company reached out to me and said, hey, we'll send you some headphones. I said, all right, cool, no big deal. But what I didn't realize that these here, I guess they have a feature to work with Siri. So I guess it says here, one-touch switch feature that awakens Siri. Now, I don't really use Apple products, so I have an iPad that you guys have seen wall-mounted inside my wall. I use for smart home stuff and security cameras and music, but I don't really use it anymore as a tablet. I pretty much use it as an in-wall tablet. I have used these strictly for music, and I gotta tell you, the bass output is spectacular, the comfort's great, and I do like the red and black. There's a power button on the side, a charging port somewhere on here. Yep, right underneath the bottom there. And they come with this pretty cool case. It's like a vinyl imitation carbon fiber, kind of a nice way to store them. And as far as accessories, you get a couple more adjustable earbuds and an instruction manual. Now, I've really only used these and a little belt clip, which is kind of cool. So I've been taking these down to my little drinking hole. I take my laptop down and I do some work and I research products rather than bother everybody down there with the sound from the laptop. I look up videos on my phone, and I have these paired up with my cell phone, and they work great. I'm pretty impressed with the sound quality, and I guess they are noise canceling as well. However, I don't see how you actually turn that feature on. I think it's just always on. And to be honest with you, I have a lot of headphones with noise canceling, and I can never really personally tell the difference. I just really can't. But a little bit more about them here. It says, Crevel sound quality with CVC 6.0 noise suppression technology. Hi-fi stereo ensure that you don't miss any part or component of your music. The bass is amazing, which it is. And the music output is HD stereo that will make you not want to quit listening. With noise suppression technology, focus on your favorite music and answer calls without skips or missed words. Now, I haven't tried this in any kind of phone call yet, but as far as, I throw these in my ears when I'm, like I said, down at the bar or whatever, and it definitely cuts out sound. I just don't, I've never had anything really noticeable. Like, I have a set of other phones that are over-the-ear phones, and when you turn that feature on and off, I really can't tell much of a difference. But nonetheless, they sound good. The price is right on them, $42 shipped to your door through Amazon. Comes with 3 pairs of soft earbuds, small, medium, or large, depending on the size of your ear. And it says here speech recognition. You can launch Siri or Google Assistant or Bixby using the touch sensor, which will quickly identify your voice. Now, I have not been able to get any of that to work, so maybe I need to do a little more research or contact the company. The only thing that I can get by pressing this button is a pause or play out of it. So maybe there's something that I'm missing. I've tried holding it. I've tried turning it on or off, holding the on button, and I just can't seem to get that to do anything but pause and play my video when I'm watching it. So I will definitely maybe research this a little more and contact the company. Great thing about these here, it says it's got the longest battery life and guarantee. You'll get 8 hours of music with a charge of only 1.5 hours. They provide a 90-day, no question, money-back guarantee. So it's a no-brainer. If you're looking for headphones, definitely I encourage you to check these out. I like them. What can I say? I really can't complain. So let me know what you guys think if you have these. If you're interested in getting these and you have any other questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And anytime I make a purchase, if you do it through my links, no matter whether it's Amazon or eBay, it does help to support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. It doesn't matter what you buy. The cookie stays in your computer for I think like 12 hours, and whatever purchase you make is tracked, and you become part of my affiliate program. So thank you. All right, guys, have a wonderful day and take care.